Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I have received a number of requests about how to reset the Valeton GP200. Supposing, let's say, you bought it from someone who has already used it and probably you don't like the setting that's on there, or you bought it new and just want to experiment how to reset your board. There's a video for you. So first, you just click the globals button on the board, and then you use the control knob to scroll through till you see factory reset. So when it's selected, you just click to enter them in. So you realize we have reset global settings only. We have reset factory patches from 1A to 25D, and then reset all data. So let me explain each of them. So the very first one, which is reset global settings only. So supposing, let's say, you have a particular EQ that you've set for your, so let's say you have something like this in there, that you have a particular thing like this. I move to the next, and let's say this is your global EQ based on the instruments that you are playing through the Valeton GP200. Supposing this is how you want your EQ to be, your board to globally EQ the signal that will come out of the board. Now let's say you got it from somewhere and you don't want that to happen, so you can just click reset global settings only. So when you click, it will ask you, are you really sure you want to do this? So if you are okay with it and you still want to go ahead, you just click okay, but I don't want to do that. So when you do that, when you click the OK, 1, it will reset your global EQ. 2, or change the calibration of your expression pedal. So meaning, if you do that, you will have to recalibrate your expression pedal again, but I don't want to do that, so I'll just manually change it. So the next is the reset factory patches. So supposing, let's say, you've made any changes to the effect, so supposing you made a change to this, you change the amp setting from 50 to something like this, or maybe you've changed a number of things and then you don't want it, you can just choose the second option in there. You can choose this particular second option and it will just clear, or it will reset it back to factory settings. So the last option will clear everything that you have on the board. So supposing anything that is beyond the factory settings, factory patches, your IRs, to your global EQ, to resetting the factory default patches that are on there, so everything goes away. So when you use this particular option, when you use this particular last option, that's what happens. So experiment with it. Just be cautious about what you are doing. Make sure you don't clear your patches. If you want to clear the entire board, make sure you back up your tones, back up your IRs, and then you'll be good to go. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time.